Hey all, welcome back to another little video on my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these really easy bookmarks. They are completely wipeable on the front and fabric or felt backed, and they're completely personalizable. Now the reason I've got 3 of them here is I'm going to show you they're all made in pretty much the same way, but these are the options. This middle one here, I printed my design on clear acetate before I began so that I could have a completely see-through sort of design. I did the same for the shaker one. So these were both printed on acetate, but this one I printed an image on normal paper and then laminated it. These ones on the acetate, once I printed on the acetate, to seal in the design, because I have an inkjet printer, I laminated my acetate in a laminating sheet. So these are actually sealed inside a laminating sheet, these designs, so they won't scrape off, or if they get wet they won't rub off. So that would be the first thing you need to do. You need to make your design. I used a free online software called canva.com where you can make images. These are ones all relating to my books, but you can have any design you want. You just pull up an A4 size template and make as many bookmarks on your template as you want, then print them off onto either your acetate sheet or onto paper like I did with this one. And then you're going to cut them to just smaller than the size of bookmark that you want. So when I did these ones, I put a border on the bookmarks and cut them out exactly to the border before I put them through the laminator. Now once you put them through the laminator, you will get a shiny sealed plastic that you can then cut to the size you want your actual bookmark to be, which is, then you're going to use whatever you want as the background, the felt, fabric. I did one using craft foam too, and if you have a sewing machine, I doubled up the felt. I did 2 layers of felt so that I could put ribbon between the 2 layers of felt. Then I sandwiched them all together and ran around the whole bookmark with a zigzag stitch. I don't know if you can see, but it is clear invisible thread. Now we're going to be making a shaker bookmark using those steps, and so when I was making the bookmark, I sewed 3 edges and left this one open. I opened it like a pocket and put my sequins in, and then I slid in my ribbon between the 2 layers of felt, closed it up and sewed across. That is literally how simple they are, but I'm still going to show you the process. I'm probably just not going to talk through the process now that I've explained it. And these are movable. You can move them around inside the bookmark. So I will be back when I print off a design. I should add, if you don't want to have a design printed on your bookmark and you just want to make the shaker bookmark with just the sequins and glitter inside but no design on the front, you can use any kind of clear plastic. You can use clear plastic packaging from something you've bought. You can use, just if you have laminating sheets, just run one through the laminator without anything on it or in it, and it will make you a plastic sheet. Or you can use the acetate sheets themselves that you can buy on eBay, but the best thing is to use clear packaging. So I'm going to be printing some designs today to make shaker bookmarks, but you don't have to. You can just use plastic. So for this project you're going to need your printout, either on paper or on plastic, a laminate sheet, or your clear plastic if you're not printing any design. And you're going to need a piece of felt that can be used twice on your bookmark. So a sheet of felt, cut 2 pieces to fit your bookmark. Whatever ribbon you want to put at the bottom, some sequins and glitter, and a sewing machine and sewing thread. That is what you will need.